elephant never forgets, but I forget what the elephant remembered.
Yes, well, you probably just weren't paying attention at the time, Ed. But I'm sure Eddie remembers.
In another life, windbag. But I remember this.
My dear friend, the jug.
That's a picture, Ed, and it's quite familiar to many of our adventures.
It's from when you had the hiccups, Double D. Remember? Corey says Victor kicks Rolf in the head again.
My turn.
Seems an air bubble has lodged itself within my...
Come here, I'll get rid of him.
Oh, dear. Oh, my.
There, they're gone.
Hiccups have left the building, Eddie.
Strong hiccups.
Quick, Eddie, do something. Double D is gonna explode.
And you idiot, this ain't gonna get rid of the hiccups.
Water. I need water.
You're doing it all wrong. You're supposed to drink it upside down.
Let's scare him, Eddie. I am a zombie, and I will nourish you with a shoehorn.